Retrofitting for the future, modernizing your property. In this section, we will explore the various ways you can bring your property into the modern age, making it more efficient, sustainable, and valuable. Retrofitting is about making your property more efficient and sustainable. This means incorporating the latest technologies and systems that reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. It's about upgrading your property for the better. Whether it's through structural improvements or installing new systems, retrofitting can transform your home. We can help you save money on energy bills. By installing energy-efficient appliances and systems, you can significantly reduce your monthly expenses. We can also make your property more comfortable and safe. Modernizing your home isn't just about efficiency, it's also about enhancing your quality of life. We assess your property and recommend the best retrofitting solutions. Our experts will evaluate your home and suggest the most effective upgrades. We can upgrade your insulation, ensuring that your home retains heat in the winter and stays cool in the summer, windows and appliances. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and modern appliances can make a huge difference in your home's energy consumption. We can also install solar panels or energy-efficient lighting. Solar panels can provide a renewable energy source, while LED lighting reduces electricity usage. Retrofitting not only benefits the environment, but it also makes your home more attractive to eco-conscious buyers. But it can also increase your property's value. Homes with modern energy-efficient features are often valued higher in the real estate market. It shows potential buyers that you care about sustainability. This can be a major selling point in today's market, where more people are looking for eco-friendly homes. It's a smart investment that can pay off in the long run. Not only will you save on energy bills, but you'll also increase your property's market value and appeal.